Hey guys, today I will show you some legendary tricks in football world. So let's go. Let's start with the ruler or Zinedine Zidane. His name is like this because Zinedine Zidane is the first player who did this with Real Madrid.
I will define it for you in 2 simple steps. First, you have to take the ball back with your strong foot. Then you have to turn it with your second foot.
The second one, and I love this one because Magidi spin is one of the popular skills in FIFA. So let's see how it's done.
I will define it in 2 steps too. After the sprint with the ball, you have to stop it between your legs in order to bounce. Then you turn it with your strong foot.
And the last one is related about Brazil, and I'm sure that you have seen Neymar doing this. It's rainbow flick.
Rainbow flag. I will define it in 4 steps. The first is the place of your foot in front of the ball. Then you have to roll the ball after your calf, and then the last step is doing a small jump and flick it with your front foot over your head.
So guys, that was a quick tutorial about some tricks of football. I hope you enjoy it and see you.